Hello everyone, thank you for joining me on this opportunity. It's a pleasure to share this with you all. My name is Anggata Timanziga. My student ID is 241002036. I'm a 3 semester accounting student at Universitas Trilogi, and today I'll be speaking about a topic that is real close to my heart. Uh, how to promote Tari Maena as my hometown's traditional heritage. First, I like to express my gratitude to God and also to our writer, Mr. Hedian Saputra, for this speech opportunity in to fulfill the requirements for my English my time exam. I once bounced and raised on the beautiful island of Nias, which will come Tanzania. It's a pleasure where history is around you. You can feel it when you see the films Stone Jumps in Bawamataru village, which is now at a test of brief fear for young men in the pets. You also can see it in the unique architecture of traditional house, the Homohada. For generations, this rich culture has been the reason of what brings people from all over Indonesia and the world to my homeland. But my offer journey for education brought me here to Jakarta, moving from a place full of tradition to a metropolitan city real reaches my perspective. It's me relate house pressure the heritage I leave behind and might me have a worry that this tradition might fade, especially from my generation. That's why today I want to talk about one of our month's pressure projects, the Tarimena. Now let's talk um, some facts. Research site like I said to 2019 mindset the Nias house culture that's not only only fiber but also a credible resilient what tradition are just a console. They a living part of daily life. The home batu to Alston, a jumping tradition. For example, is song significant is been on UNESCO tentative World Heritage list since 2014. But the tradition I want to focus on is the Tari Maina. As Cebu 2018, this described the Maina is traditional group dance where people from circles around. What's beautiful about is it's for everyone, men and women, the young and the old. You can see it at also much imported celebration like vending and being culture festival. Let me explain what makes the Maina special. Friends, it's but unity. Then the dance is led by a gate called Solo Maina, and at Hulu 2020 described the movements are simple and repetitive. The goal is to show of individual skill but to move together as one community. Second, and this is the real soul of the Maina. It's about the poetry. The lyrics sung in our language are often made up on the spot. At Zebua, research on 2018 saw this process can be blessing for a new couple. They can tell historical history or after social commentary. Uh, Tide is function is more than just dance. Telon Banua 2017 expressed that the Maina has historically been to express our values, story and even community loss from when January so to that next is how we strong the our social about and finally it's not just an entertainment according to ASE 2019 the Maina is a living example of our philosophy of my effort which we will in working together in harmony access for Maina is the ultimate symbol of the strong unity community. uh, so as you can see then is a complicated fact is war art our history and our uh, so fabric perform together. Now this bring me to my month of case while I'm telling great and for the Maina is sitting perform I work that we're losing its the deeper meaning especially when it's performed outside of Nias. At gatherings in big city, we often do that dance about the real meaning can get a lot. My meaning of as young people know they start, but we don't always understand the powerful winder we're singing. The Maina, it's just about moving your head and feel it. It's about the wisdom in the lyrics, and when we wrote that, we wrote the heart of the story. That's why I want to proper and they Nias Culture Festival. My my vision in is an annual festival held in the foreign major Indonesia. Cities like Jakarta, Medan, and Batam were men of us from Nias now live. This festival would have the main gods. The one is would put the main it's served at the center with at massive collective performance involving that hardens of people. The two it will include education workshop uh, led by our elders and culture express where we don't just the extra step but more in protective with the meaning and history behind the poetry and three we will record everything we create I call elite videos with sub titles in Indonesia and English and share this target with the world through social media and culture website. I'm hoping that this festival would just unite young Nias people. It would become April in fighting our Indonesia. It to experience the beauty of our culture. Through this exposure, we can be bring Nias culture to the rest of the country and show that our heritage is an important part of Nusantara. In conclusion, our cultural heritage is a less part of who we are. The Maina dance is a powerful symbol of our unity and kingdom by taking a protective like the festival. I propose we can make a show that this tradition is just preserved in my museum but is Waterstone celebrated and set with pride. The responsibility is now on us. Let's be the general soul that thoughts that remember the songs of our elders, but one that sings them for the world to hear. Thank you for you in invaluable thank and song. Yeah, I hope.